I felt that. Stop it. Hi. Hunter likes Grandma's stepping stone path.
So what are they doing in that little pile that's getting bunched up back there? Is that property going to be sold someday?
I don't know who's going to buy it. That's what his plan is.
Oh, okay. You're a developer. That's it too?
Yeah.
It's the guy that we bought this property from. Huh?
Oh, yeah. That's what I meant. Property.
Yep. What, buddy?
You trapped him! Go under! Go under! Look at you, trapped him! Go under, Hunter! Okay, walk over it. Good job. Good job.
You sound like me when I don't get my chicken.
You sound worse.
Or like Grandma without her coffee.
Be quiet.
Oh,
No, he likes it. He likes walking it.
no. I should have got espresso beans.
Oh, yeah.
Horseradish.
That's for
Well,
tomorrow.
we'll have that tomorrow. So. Now we have to go to the store again.
At least it's not far. Where you going, Hunter? Here you come. Just like Daddy, playing the dirt. Back and forth.
Get a close up of those shoes.
Yeah, I did. Now we gotta go back in the rock side. He likes just walking back and forth.